how to deactivate Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So keep in mind they do change these menus often. If this video is no longer accurate, check the description or pinned comment because I'll be coming out with updated tutorials to ensure that you have the latest information available. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button to the left of the Facebook logo in the top left of the app. Once the menu opens, scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy, select that, and then when that opens up, select Settings. Once we get into the settings, select Account Center, and then all we need to do is scroll down and select Manage Accounts. From there, select Manage next to the account you want to deactivate, and then just select Deactivation or Deletion. By default, Deactivate will be selected, so go ahead and select Continue at the bottom. You then just need to enter your Facebook password, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter your password, they're going to ask you why you're deactivating your account. So select one, then select Continue. They'll give you some remedies based on what you selected, so select Continue. And then they're going to tell you what happens when you actually temporarily deactivate your account. So once you're ready, select Deactivate My Account at the bottom. And after that, they will log you out of your Facebook account, and you can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.